Alright, hi guys. Today we're going to go over circles, but first let's work on this warm up. So, on your test, you had this question, what value of x makes this equation true? So we want to solve our equation. So remember we draw our line down the middle, and then we're going to move our smallest variable. Well, negative 2x is my smallest variable. In order to move it, I'm going to do the opposite. The opposite of negative 2 is to add 2x. So what I do on one side, I do to the other. Okay. This cancels out. That gives me 19 is equal to 5x minus 1. After that, I am going to add or subtract my constant, and my constant is 1, so it's being subtracted. The opposite of subtracting is to add. So I'm going to add 1 on both sides. This cancels. 19 plus 1 gives me 20. 20 is equal to 5x. Now I am going to multiply or divide by my coefficient. My coefficient is 5. So I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. X is equal to 4. Okay. So now today you'll be able to use the following terms and symbols to describe circles. So diameter is represented by D, radius is represented by R, and C is represented by circumference. That's what we're going to focus on today. So let's take a look here. We have different parts of a circle. So our diameter, you can see, is your blue line across that circle, and it's represented by D. Your diameter of a circle is the distance across the circle through its center. Okay. Next, you have radius, which is represented by the red line. The radius of a circle is the distance from the center to the circle. It takes 2 radii to equal 1 diameter. So essentially, your radius is half of your diameter. And last but not least, the circumference of a circle is the distance or length around the circle itself. So your circumference is the distance around the circle. That's what we're going to kind of focus on today. We're going to work on discovering pi. I'm going to show you how to use the tool we are using today. So while working on your activity today, you will be able to measure out the diameter and the circumference of multiple circles. And you can make different circle sizes by moving your diameter. So the smaller your diameter is, the smaller your circle. Okay? The larger your diameter is, the larger your circle. Okay? That's how you find your diameter. To unroll your circumference, you're going to unroll this circle. Unroll the circle. And you're going to measure where the end where this red dot is. Okay? So you can zoom in and out of your ruler, and you need to make at least 7 different measurements for circles. So you're going to go ahead and get started with your assignment for today.